Thousands of students have taken to the streets of London protesting against rising university fees.
1 week after the government announced its plans for the future of universities.
According to the Institute for Fiscal Studies, students in England are going to graduate with average debt of £50,000. We will investigate the effect of this student debt on the wellbeing of students at the University of Bath and draw comparisons based on national levels and studies made before the 2012 tuition fee increase. For the purpose of this report, individual well-being is defined as a combination of stress levels and anxiety, as well as university performance. Student tuition fees have increased from £1,000 a year in 1998 to over £9,000 in 2018. At the University of Bath, there are over 17,000 students enrolled, with 70% of these being from the UK. The issue of student debt and student well-being is therefore important because it is a current issue affecting thousands of students at the University of Bath alone, with an NUS study finding that 78% of students have experienced stress or anxiety at some point over the last year. We will be looking into student debt as a cause of such issues. There have been multiple academic studies into UK student debt, student well-being and the correlation between the two. Data shows mixed results, with some papers identifying a correlation and others finding no evidence to link the two. A 2004 study highlighted that students who identified as having high financial concerns showed higher levels of stress and anxiety. However, a 2006 study found that there was no correlation between actual debt levels and general health questionnaire scores. A 2004 paper by Adrian Scott highlighted the link between student debt and stress in University of Bath students. We are looking to expand upon this research by using post-2012 data reflecting the tripling of university tuition fees in January 2012, also with a focus on the University of Bath. Pre-2012 studies have failed to establish conclusively whether debt had a true impact on both stress and performance. It is still unknown how the relationship between debt, stress and performance has evolved post-2012. Are post-2012 University of Bath students more stressed than pre-2012? Are performances lower due to the higher level of debt? Answering such questions is how we seek to add value to the previous research.
In order to find qualitative data, we'll organize focus groups discussing topics such as the impact of the abolition of the maintenance grant, as well as arranging interviews with students and university personnel. To find quantitative data, we'll utilize questionnaire surveys to analyze areas such as students' attitudes toward debt, their actual debt levels, demographics, and the correlation between levels of borrowing and the occurrence of stress.